This is Nighthawk. Moose Man.
What's my name?
Alligator Face. Oh God, I'm so frightened. I'm going to be entering the abyss with Nighthawk, Alligator Face, and I don't remember your name.
Moose Man.
And Moose Man. Okay. Follow Captain. I'm Captain Crunch. I'll be leading this expedition.
We're going into the unknown abyss.
Okay, we'll be back. The drawbridge, built in 1908. Railroad from Cape Cod
Almost over.
to Providence. The warriors.
We're gonna see if we can find it.
Is there anything in the bag?
Cobwebs.
Cobwebs in the bag.
Day 19. No food.
No food.
No water.
We found what seems to be some kind of dwelling. Looks like it's a rigged up tarp. And there it looks like there's a bag over here hanging off these branches, so we're gonna go check it out. There's some old chairs set up there for a tea party. That never happened. Dun it. 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 It took my hat right off my head. Oh, look at this guy. Thanks. We're approaching the abyss. The cave.
Look at the beautiful red bamboo. Moose loves it. Look at that smile. And Craig is stupid. Here you go.
Here's the tunnel. Moving forward.
Takes us to the third dimension.
Yes, it does. That's the only dimension for me.
I'm gonna, instead of walking through the wall,
Let's walk along the rails.
Yeah. And shimmy across. Ooh, that's not good. A little bounce.
That's me.
Craig.
Going in.
Going to the hole. Didn't work.
I want to start the ghost.
Oh, clearing out in the cave.
Oh. Well, number one, I don't think the garbage bags is anything.
Yeah, they do. No, they aren't. You're not wet. You're just cold.
Carhartt boots are not ideal for this.
Do you hear someone? Oh my God.
What if the door slammed behind us? I really don't know what I'm walking on here.
Charlie said there are abandoned cars.
Abandoned cars? This seemed like such a better idea when I first thought of it. Has Captain Crunch, Moose Face, and no, Moose, something, and Alligator. Journey ahead.
What is stalactites? What are those?
It really is. Hey, look over here too.
Yeah.
Here it's mixing with the iron. All you geo majors are so cool. And that is the hole that we entered. We may never see it again. While walking through the tunnels in Narnia, we found stuff. How small the light is. That's crazy. Everybody, talking to the camera real quick.
We're all still here and alive, I think. Moose.
Moose, are you here?
They're all chickening out and don't want to hear the ghost stories.
I do.
Holy shit.
Doesn't it look like a gun?
Yeah, it does. Found a shoe.
Samantha Edelberg is exiting the cave.
A chair. Was that chair? Let's sing a song. What song does everybody know? In low places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away. And I'll be okay. I'm not big on social graces. Take a sip. I wonder if there's snakes in here.
Maybe. Holy shit, it gets deep over here.